Alright, this is going to be quick. This is another London broil. I'm going to use garlic and herb A1 dry rub and sriracha, of course. And what's good is at this stage you can see where the grain of the meat is. And with London broil, that's important to make sure you don't get it too tough. So yeah, I'll probably show it when it's done, because it's 4 minutes on each side, then turn the grill off, and 3 minutes on each side. To me, usually comes out pretty good medium. Medium rare-ish. Alright. And in there, I already got it sealed. Trust me up, it is broccoli. You'll see. Alright, now we turn the grill off. Shut it down. Alright. Doesn't that look good? Now it's an enucleator to rest for 5 minutes. No power's getting turned on. We're not cooking in it. We're just going to let it rest. See what I'm talking about? That's a good looking London broil, isn't it? I'm going to eat it. Look at that. That's a good one. Again, 4 minutes on the grill. On each side, flip it. 3 minutes when the grill's turned off for indirect heat. Soft, juicy, and tasty. Have a great and wonderful day.
The GoPro doesn't do well with red, so I'm showing you that this is red.
As you can see, that's another London broil. This one was about $5. It's 1.5 pounds. And what I'm going to add to it is Famous Dave's steak and burger seasoning, and of course sriracha. Here we go. Open it inside the bag because sometimes stuff comes flying out. Get it all up in there. And this is starting to unfreeze, but still going to need a little bit more time. And my sriracha. I don't know how much you can see that I use. So it's usually about that much. See in there? And about that much. And we zip it. And the sriracha gives the liquidy stuff for the dry rub to absorb. And now we'll set this out and let it continue to get closer to room temperature. Ever put a cold steak on a grill, especially a London broil? People that complain that, oh, these are tough, yeah, let this be cold and put it on a thing. You might as well eat your shoe. Gotta let it warm up. Let the grill. I was so thrilled to see corn. Alright, we'll let that get up to heat. Okay. Alright. Nice. 4 more minutes. Okay. Now. Flip it again. Shut the grill off. 3 minutes. Flip. Three more minutes. I'm gonna light the grill, even though the London broil is done. Because it needs 5 minutes to rest. So we'll let this corn cook for 5 more minutes. While that beauty rests. Take the corn off and let it cool. Put that on the grill. It's already rested, but there's just too much of it. Alright, there's the London broil on it. Looks pretty good. Medium rare. Doesn't that look nice? Oh, showing it a little darker than it is. Doesn't that look nice? Oh, showing it a little darker than it is. Need better light. See, there we go. It's still pinkish. That's about where I like it. Actually, I go back and forth between like rare and then more medium rare. And this is the medium rare. But let's taste it. Alright, so let's eat this sucker. Well, that corn, I'm going to take a couple bites of this and then grab the corn. Oh, yeah. That's good. That's still juicy. I just did a moan on there. I had to grab the cell phone to give you a better look. That's really good. London broil. Tastes great. We're going to eat a couple bites and then we'll get the corn. Okay, so when I went to the store, I was really not expecting corn. It's pretty easy early for corn, but it actually looked pretty good. And I don't know how well I described it, but I soak corn in the husk in water for about 20 minutes. And then I cook it for about 20 minutes on the grill in the husk. I think it comes out awesome. Usually, I don't do it this way. Usually I give it a full 20 minutes and I eat in stages. But all I did was take the steak off there and set it with the other half of it. And now, I've been using a kind of a dressing on it in the past. And I didn't expect corn. So I had this, which is similar. This is, I think this is Aldi's brand. Garlic and peppercorn. And I really like that other brand on corn instead of butter. So we're going to try this. See how it does. I don't think I'll go back to normal butter anymore, honestly. I think this is really good. Well, the other brand is. We'll see how this does. Okay, okay. It's quite well covered. Hopefully it's not terrible. If it's terrible, I got the other ear. But let's see. Yep. See, when I did the other brand, I had made Paseo butter from Key West. There's a place down there called Paseo that makes really great sandwiches, and they do corn, and they have a fancy butter that they use that I tried to emulate before, and it came out pretty good. But then I saw this dressing, and I'm like, all right, I don't have to do any work. I just pour it on there. So this brand is Aldi's garlic and peppercorn gourmet dressing. And usually I use, I think it's a Wishbone Italiano restaurant or something crap like that, which is a very similar flavor. But this works great. Enjoy my dinner. Leave me alone. Alright, we gotta do another flyover. Here of corn. Then again, once a flyover without some bites taken out of it. Now, great wonderful day. Alright, so I ate one ear of corn real fast. I've taken a couple bites of this. And I'm going to finish this off and then eat my other ear of corn. And then I'll need to take a nap. But, man, that's really good. This one had the famous Dave's in sriracha, and that works too. A lot of good rubs out there for a London broil, and cook them right. Don't go much past medium, but they stay tender, and they taste great. Alright, you don't need to see me eat the other ear of corn and be like that, but I'm gonna. So, have a great and wonderful day. Extra flyover. Not enough light, but trust me, it's a darn good London broil.